back, guys. So here's another tutorial on how to fix your iPhone X, your iPhone XS, or your iPhone XS Max, which is your iPhone 10. So my wife she was experienced draining the battery so quickly. Here are some of the methods on how to fix that issues. First of all, number one option is to go and update all your apps by either going to your app store first. Then you want to go ahead and click on update on the lower bar right here. You got the today's, games, apps, updates, or search. You want to go ahead and click on updates right there. So in case your app is not updated, you want to click on update individual app, or just click on update all. So you want to go ahead and update the apps because some of the bugs or will cause your application to run slow. Anyway, allow the apps to update, and let's go into the iOS update. You want to go ahead and click on setting right here, the setting gear icon. And you want to go ahead and click on general. And then just go to software update. So make sure your update is automatic on, and normally it will ask you when there's a new update. You just go ahead and click on update all. And then just go ahead and click on update, all right? And then second method is to close all your apps. You want to go ahead and swipe up and hold, okay? And then here are all the apps that is currently open. If you have a whole bunch of apps that's open, it might drain down your battery because so many apps are open. So you want to go ahead and either close one at a time by swiping up, okay? Or you close two at a time, or three at a time by pressing all the fingers on the apps and then swipe up, okay? So let's go ahead and move on to the third option. Third option, we're going to do a soft reset for your iPhone 10, your 10s or 10s Max. To do that, you're going to press the volume up button and then the side button at the same time simultaneously. All right. Then just slide to turn off. You could also do volume down and then a side button either up or down, okay? And you want to go ahead and slide this to turn off. There's another alternative way to do a soft reset for your iPhone just by touching setting right here. And then you want to go ahead and go to general. And just scroll all the way down. Click on shutdown. And then slide to turn off, okay? And then fourth method is to do a hard reset. In case your iPhone 10, your 10s or your 10s Max, it is frozen or unresponsive screen, you want to do a quick press and release on the volume up quickly, and then do that the same thing on the bottom, down, volume up, down, and then press and hold the side button until you see Apple logo on the screen. Sometimes it might take about 20 to 30 seconds for you to see the Apple logo on the screen. So first of all, you need to power off. So make sure it is completely shut down. Give about 20 seconds or 10 seconds. Because sometimes you have this circle like buffering around. So let's go ahead and do a hard reset. Go air volume up, down in a quick motion, okay? So up, down, and then press the side button until you see a logo, Apple logo, and then let go. And then that should do a hard reset for your iPhone 10, your 10s, and your 10s Max. Number 5 method is to reset all setting. So you want to go ahead and click on the setting gear icon again. You want to scroll down to General and scroll all the way down until you see Reset above the shutdown. Click on Reset. And then right here, you want to click on Reset All Setting. And then enter your pass code. And you will give a warning again. And then I just click on Reset. So you will ask you to enter your 4-digit restriction code if you have one. So it's going to give you this warning, reset all setting, okay? So I'm not going to do it on mine, so I'm just show you guys. This will reset all the setting back to like a default setting. And you will not erase any photo or video or picture or anything like that, or your apps. And then number 6 method is to check which app or apps is consuming the most battery. You want to go ahead and go to setting again, click on the setting icon, and you want to go scroll down to battery right there. And right here, if you want, you could turn on the low battery mode, okay? And your battery icon will show the yellow. That means like a battery saving mode. So you will use less battery, and then I will not allow some apps to run in the background activity, like downloads and mails fetch until you can fully charge your phone, okay? So you can turn that off. And also right here, you can check your battery health. If you charge and uncharge your iPhone battery will degrade. So right now the iPhone 10s Max about 95%. Okay. So imagine if your battery shows about 50 or 55%. I mean, it's getting lower and lower. And then another one is to check your last 24 hours. It will on the bottom, it will show which app uses the most or consume most of the battery within the last 24 hours. And then you could also check on the last 10 days. Click on the last 10 days. And then right here it shows all the apps, which one consume the most. Okay. And this one shows 29%. You could also click on the show activity. And it shows how much hours that you spend on there. Okay. Okay, the number 7 method is to turn down your LCD brightness. You want to go ahead and click on setting. And then on the setting, you want to go and then click on display. You want to go ahead and click on the display and then brightness right here. And right here, you could adjust or toggle left or right to adjust your brightness. You want to go ahead and adjust below the 50% or the half mark. And you could also turn off raise to awake or raise to wake, so it doesn't eat up the battery every time you try to raise up your phone. And also on the auto lock, you want to go ahead and click on the shortest possible 30-second, because sometimes if your screen is on for like 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, it's going to eat up your battery or drain down your battery faster. Number 8 method is to turn off background app refresh. Let's go ahead and do that. You want to go ahead and click on the setting. And then on the setting, you want to go ahead and go to general and search for background app refresh, which is this one right here. You see there are so many apps that is on, which is refresh in the background. So you guys see which app you want to allow it to refresh, mainly your email and everything. But there are so many apps under here that is continues to run or refresh in the background. That is going to drain your battery. So if you want, you can go ahead and you see the background app refresh. You could click on it and then turn off. Or you can allow it to run only on Wi-Fi. Right now, it allows it to run on Wi-Fi and cellular data. That is going to consume lots of battery. So it says allow apps to refresh their content when on Wi-Fi or cellular in the background. Turn off app may help preserve battery life. Okay. So as you can see, there are so many apps that my wife has. She might kill the battery sooner than will drain the battery more faster that way. So you want to go ahead and turn it off if you got so many apps like this, and then turn off. And then you can see it's off. All the apps is off right now. Okay. Number 9 method is to clear your RAM for your iPhone 10, your iPhone 10s, or your iPhone 10s Max. I'm going to show you guys on how to do that. First of all, you need to go ahead and then turn on your assistive touch. You want to go ahead and click on the setting icon again. You want to scroll down to general, or go to general. You want to go to accessibility. You want to scroll down. You want to go ahead and go to assistive touch, which is below the switch control. And then be sure to turn that on. That is your assistive touch button right there. It is floating around. And see the button, once you touch it, you can move around anywhere that you like around the screen. And then now you want to go to your, you want to go back to your setting all the way back. So as you can see, you're under assistive touch. You want to go ahead and click on back all the way to setting. Then you want to go to general. First of all, you go to setting and then general. You want to scroll down to shut down. Do not slide to power off. Okay. You want to go ahead and press this assistive touch button right here. And right here, you're going to press and hold on the home button right there until you see a flash from black to white screen. So that means you have successfully cleared your RAM for your iPhone 10, your 10s, and your 10s Max. Okay. If you don't want this to floating around, you go ahead and then go to setting and then general again. Go to accessibility. And then scroll down to assistive touch and then turn that off. And then that's it. Number 10 is to do a factory reset. This is a warning for you guys. It will erase everything. You will erase your apps, your videos, your photos, whatever that you record on your iPhone 10, your 10s Max, back to original settings. So everything will be wiped out. So be sure that you are warned. If you do this, you will erase all your content. Okay. Be sure you back it up with your iTunes. Be sure you do a backup for your iPhone 10, your 10s, or your 10s Max before you do this. Go ahead and click on Setting. And then you want to go to General. Then you want to scroll down all the way down to click on Reset. And you want to go ahead and then click on Erase all content and setting. So it gives you like this warning: document and data are being uploaded to iCloud. So if you have an iCloud, you want to go ahead and then upload everything to your iCloud first. But if you don't have enough space on your iCloud that you don't want to purchase, you could also back up to your PC or your MacBook or your Mac, your iMac, to your hard drive. Okay. It says finish uploading, then erase, or erase now or cancel. Okay, I'm gonna cancel mine. So if you guys do everything above all the methods or what I just covered, your last resort is to make an appointment and then take your iPhone 10, your iPhone 10s, or your iPhone 10s Max to Apple Genius, and make sure you schedule an appointment online so you don't have to wait in a long line, like 1 or 2 hours before you see an Apple Genius. And if you still have a warranty with your carrier or your insurance company, you can file a claim. But make sure you compare which one is more cost effective, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I hope that any of this method will help you guys out. By cleaning out the RAM and did the hard reset on my wife's iPhone, it works. So her battery did not drain down so quickly. And hopefully this video will help you guys out. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.